ready to seamlessly bring your dedicated paid subscribers over to Beehiiv. Let's dive into the straightforward import process. First, log into your Beehiiv account once you're in. Navigate to the Audience section. This is where all your subscriber management happens. Within the Audience section, you'll find a prominent button or link that says Import Subscribers. Click on that to start the magic. Beehiiv makes it easy by supporting CSV files for importing if your subscriber data is currently in a spreadsheet format, like a CSV. You'll need to have that file ready. Most platforms allow you to export your paid subscriber list into a CSV. Prepare your CSV file. Ensure it includes essential columns like email. For each subscriber, you can also include other relevant data such as first name, last name, and any custom fields that track their subscription status or tier. Now, on Beehiiv's import screen, you'll be prompted to map your CSV columns to Beehiiv's subscriber fields. Simply click on each of your CSV column headers and select the corresponding field in Beehiiv. For example, match your email column to Beehiiv's email field. Beehiiv offers a review step. Take a moment to double-check that your columns are correctly mapped. This ensures all your data lands in the right place, and your subscribers are categorized accurately. Once you're satisfied with the mapping, click the Import or Start Import button. Beehiiv will then process your file and add your paid subscribers to your platform. And just like that, your valued paid subscribers are now on Beehiiv. You can view them in your audience list and continue delivering the exclusive content they signed up for. It's that simple to manage your premium community seamlessly on Beehiiv.